This video walks you through how to set up the Lightspeed Voice integration with HawkSoft. You'll learn how to link your accounts and start using features like auto call logging, AI-generated summaries, and sentiment insights. Before starting setup for the HawkSoft integration in Lightspeed Voice, please make sure to have an authorized HawkSoft admin in your agency use HawkSoft's Marketplace to enable data sharing for both Lightspeed Voice and Lightspeed Voice W. This will allow Lightspeed Voice to use two-way API integration with your agency data. To start the setup, we'll first need to make a note of some information from HawkSoft. Open your client management system and either copy or write down your agency ID. You'll also need to have the user initials and password entered here. Now let's set up Lightspeed Voice's Orbit application on your computer. You can easily download it by clicking the gear icon in Lightspeed Voice and choosing Download Orbit. After installing the software, you'll need to enter your login credentials from Lightspeed Voice. To integrate with Lightspeed Voice, click on your icon, select Integrations from the drop-down menu, and click the plus icon. This will direct you to the integration setup page within Lightspeed Voice. In Lightspeed Voice, you can find integrations under Management, Lead Settings, and Integrations. To set up a new integration, click the plus icon in the upper right corner. Then enter the integration name as HawkSoft, and select HawkSoft as the vendor. Let's now determine which users in your office should have access to this integration. To do this, under the User section, click the toggle button next to the name of any user you want to grant access. If you want to grant access to all users, click on the Select All option, and then click on the three dots to assign them all at once. Now, in the upper right corner, you'll need to authenticate your connection to HawkSoft. After clicking Authenticate, you'll need to set executable path, which means letting Orbit know where the HawkSoft application is on your computer. Click on Automatic, and Orbit will try to find the HawkSoft files. If Orbit cannot locate the files automatically, you must set the path to the HawkSoft files yourself. Using the information we saved earlier, enter the username, password, and agency ID. To test your connection, enter a phone number that is in your HawkSoft application. Click Test Integration. The client management system should automatically open up to the entry or entries connected with the phone number. Click It Worked if it functioned as intended, and then click Save Settings. Before you can start receiving call pop-ups, you need to adjust your Orbit call pop settings. This can be done on the integration page as well as in the Orbit application under Integrations. You can choose from 4 options: None, Inbound, Outbound, and All, with Inbound being the default choice. You'll also want to ensure all triggers are enabled in the section below to activate them. It is recommended you enable all of them to fully utilize this integration. When a call comes in, you can answer it on your Lightspeed Voice desk phone, your soft phone, or through the desktop application. And an instant pop-up will display the caller's details by opening that client's record in HawkSoft. Once the call ends, all the key details are logged automatically, including a direct link to the call recording. If you're using our AI assistant Nova, you'll also get a quick sentiment analysis and a clear, concise summary of the conversation, so you can stay focused on what matters most. You'll also see any text and emails exchanged with that contact, making it easy to find all communication in one place. Want to see it in action or bring it to your team? Call 877-97-VOICE or email info@lightspeedvoice.com. Thank you for choosing Lightspeed Voice, where we're more than just talk.